So our topic periodic properties. So classification of element and periodic table. Periodic table. So you select the first of all periodic table. So first of all, what is groups? What is periods? So you select the horizontal rows or horizontal lines are called periods. Okay, horizontal rows or horizontal lines are called periods. So total how many periods are there? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods are there. Total how many periods? 7 periods. Next, vertical columns. Vertical columns are called groups. So total how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 groups. Total 18 groups. Total 18 groups. Very simple. Horizontal lines are called periods. Vertical columns are called groups. Vertical columns are called groups. So total 7 periods, 18 groups. So I will select the
Start.
description of periods. Description of period. So for example, first period. First period, how many elements are there? For example, first period, how many elements are there? You select the first period. For example, 1, 2 elements are there. So first period you write 2 elements. First period you write first 2 elements. 2 elements. First period. First period 2 elements. There are hydrogen and helium. This period are called shortest period. This is period called shortest period. You select the next second period. So it is the first period completed. Next I am going to second period. From started lithium to neon. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements are there. Total how many elements? 8 elements. You write second period. Total elements 8 elements. 8 elements from lithium to neon. From lithium to neon. This period are called short period. This period are called short period. So next third period. So you select the third period. First period completed. Second period completed. Next I am going to third period. Third period start sodium to started ending argon. So total how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. So you write third period. You write third period. Total 8 elements. 8 elements from sodium to argon. This period are called short period. Short period. Next I am going to fourth period. Fourth period, how many elements are there? You select the elements. Okay, right. So it is the first period completed, second period completed, third period completed. Next to fourth period. First, second, third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Next period, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Mean fourth period and fifth period. Okay. Fourth and fifth period. Fourth and fifth period, 18 elements are there. Each one period 18 elements are there. From fourth period started. Potassium to krypton. Fifth period started. Rubidium to xenon. These two periods are called long period. These two periods are called long period. This one also same. Long period. Long period. Next, sixth group. Select the sixth group. How many elements are there? You select the elements total sixth group. For example, it is a sixth group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So total 32 elements are there. Total elements 32 elements are there. You write sixth and seventh period. Sixth and seventh periods 32 elements. Same 32 elements are there. Cesium to start, it is a fraction to start from radon, from organelles cells. So these two periods are called largest period. These two periods mean sixth and seventh periods are called description of periods. This is called description of period. So first period 2 elements, second period 8 elements, third period 8 elements, fourth period 18 elements, fifth period 18 elements, sixth period 32 elements, seventh period 32 elements. So first period are called shortest period, next period long period, fifth period long period, next sixth period longest period, and seventh period also longest period. Seventh period.
Groups 1, 2, 3 stop.
Okay. Continue. Number
1, 2, 3 stop.
Okay. So description of groups. So you already understand up to periods. Next groups. So vertical columns are groups. So first and second group elements are called S block elements, and 13th group to 18th group elements are called T block elements. Next, third B to second B group elements are third group to 12th group elements are called D block elements. Remaining after lanthanide elements, after actinium elements are called lanthanides, and actinides there are F block elements. There are F block elements. So first group elements, for example, first group elements, first group are first A group elements. So first group elements are called alkali metals. Alkali metals. First A group elements are called alkali metals. So first A group elements. So our first group are first A group elements: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These all are first A group element. So first A group element general electronic configuration. NS1, first A group general electronic configuration NS1. Next second A group elements are second group elements. Second A are second group elements. Second group elements. So you write second group elements: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These all are second A group elements. These elements alkaline, earth, alkaline earth metals. These elements are called alkaline earth metal. First A group elements are called alkali metals. Second A group elements alkaline earth metals. These two group elements are called, these two groups are S block elements. These two groups are called S block elements. What is S block elements? What is S block? What is S block elements? The element in which differentiating electron enter into S subshell, the outermost energy level, are called S block elements. Are called S block elements. Again repeat. What is S block elements? The element which differentiating electron enter into S subshell energy level, S subshell outermost energy level, are called S block elements. So S block element general electronic configuration NS1 to 2. S block element general electronic configuration NS1 to 2. So first A group elements are soft metals. Soft metals. So second A group elements are called hard metals. Second A group elements are called hard metals. Next I am going to P block elements. Next I am going to P block elements. The P block element. Next I am going to P block elements. What is P block elements? The element in which differentiating electron enter into P subshell of the outermost energy level are called P block element. To write definition, the element in which differentiating electron enter into P subshell of the outermost shell, P subshell of the outermost shell energy level are called P block element. These P block elements are started from 30A to 80A group elements. 30A to Aj group elements are 13 to 18 group elements. 13 to 18 group elements. Right. So you select the first. It is a 30 group element, 4th group element, 5th group, 6th group, 7th group, and 8th group elements. So general electronic configuration. You write first. You select the group wise element. Write the electronic configuration. Write the electronic configuration. So for example, 13 group are 3rd A, 14 group are 4th A, 15th group are 5th A, 16th group are 6th A, 17th group are 7th A, 18th group are called 8th A group elements. For example, first A group element starting element boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, helium or neon. For example, third A group electron, general electronic configuration Ns, Ns2, Np1. Next, 4th A group element Ns2, Np2. Next, 5th A group element Ns2, Np3. Next, 6th A group element Ns2, Np4. Next, 7th A group element Ns2, Np5. 8th A group element Ns2, Np6. These all are P block elements. P block element general electronic configuration. Ns2, Np1 to 6. Ns2, Np1 to 6. For example, Ns2, Np1, Ns2, Np2, Ns2, Np3, Ns2, Np4, Ns2, Np5, Ns2, Np6. So these two groups, first A and second A group elements. So first and second group elements, 13 to 18 group elements. 13 to 18 group elements are called representative elements. These all elements are representative elements. So S block elements are called metals. These P block elements are called, these all are from here to here total. These total elements are called non-metals. First A group elements, second A group elements are metals. But P block elements from 13 group elements to 18 group elements are called non-metals. So this 18 group element only noble gases or inert gases. 18 group elements, noble gases or inert gases. D block elements, the element in which differentiating electron enter into penultimate energy level orbitals or penultimate shell are called D block elements. Okay. Right. Next, D block elements are started from 3rd B to 2nd B. Total total groups 10 groups are there, D block elements. Total groups 10 groups. So third group elements, fourth group elements, fifth group, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th group and 12th group. This all group elements are called metallites. This all group elements are called metallites. For example, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. These all are metallites. So, general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration. N minus 1 into D 1 to 10 NS 1 to 2 electron 1 to 2 electron. So for example scandium, for example atomic number 21, you write electronic configuration, you substitute this one electronic configuration. Scandium for example titanium 22, vanadium 23, chromium 24, manganese 25, iron 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So in this group only second B group elements, okay, second group elements are called, except second B group elements, R elements are called transition elements. R elements are called transition elements. Next I am going to F block elements. Next I am going to F block elements. So the element in which differentiating electron enter into anti-penultimate outermost energy level, anti-penultimate outermost energy level are called F block elements. Are called F block elements. So these F block elements are called two types. One is the lanthanides and actinides. So lanthanides and actinides. So total lanthanides 14, actinides also 14. Total in this group elements total 28 elements only. These elements are called radioactive elements. So general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration n minus 2 into F 1 to 14, n minus 1 into D 0 R 1 NS2. This is the general electronic configuration. This is general electronic configuration. So conclusion, in group wise and period wise total 7 periods, 18 groups. In periodic table, left side of the elements are called metals, right side of the elements are called non-metals. Left side of the elements are called S block elements, right side of the elements are called B block elements. In between S and P block elements are called D block elements. These elements are called transition elements, except second B group elements. These group elements, except second B group elements, all D block elements are called transition elements. Next, I am going to lanthanides and actinides are down the periods. This is a F block elements. These all elements are called radioactive elements. These elements are called inner transition elements. Inner transition elements.